Yo, 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 what's up? All right, Taylor. Good morning, Fergie. Good morning, Brian H. I'm glad that you're back. Guys, today I'm going to do something a little different. Normally, Mondays and Thursdays are our class times. But we are running into a situation where many students are very behind. And you guys, some of you that I see in office hours regularly, I don't see here, and then vice versa. Or it's more like I see kids here. Oh, ew. Oh, you didn't like that? All right. Sad attempt at, connecting with you guys. Sorry. I won't do that anymore, I guess. All right. So some of you check in here during class that don't come in during office hours, yet you guys really do have makeup work. So be nice. Be nice. So we're going to do the warm-up. And we'll see how you do with the warm-up. I kind of made a stretch from where you guys took me in the class on Monday. It was a very good, okay, cool. Thank you, Taylor. Brian O had made a comment during the warm-up on Monday, and it took us to a very nice place, mathematically speaking. So if you missed it, please watch it real quick. It's only probably about 10 or 15 minutes, the first 10 or 15 minutes. Hey, Kareem. So give this a try. If no one gets it, I'm probably not going to go over it because I'm going to tell you to watch that video where he says, oh, well, you see how da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Because if you understand what he said, you can apply it here. So let's see what you guys do with this. If it doesn't work out in about 5 or 10 minutes, we're going to move to makeup work. I'm going to make sure everybody knows what they need to get done because it's got to get done. We're running out of time. It's already May 7th. And yes, we still have May and June for school, but time has been flying, honestly. It's really been flying. Yes, there are 3 feet in the yard. All right, so that part's easy. There's 3 feet equals 1 yard. Now this is going to be the one where I want to see how much of what happened on Monday you guys really understood, and if you walked away with an important tool in your math box. All right, give that a shot, and then we'll move to makeup work, okay? Monday, however, we're going to start a new task. And I'm thinking that from now until the end of the school year, there will be about 4 new classwork assignments paired with homework assignments. And I think that will be it. And then maybe a spiral review for the last part. Just so that everything is fresh, but then that's going to be it, okay? That's what I'm thinking. We'll see what happens. When you guys think you have an answer, don't look it up, please. Don't look this one up. No cheating. Give it your best. If you can't figure it out, it's okay. Someone will. Okay. 1,760. What do you guys think? Do you agree with him? I'll write it down. You guys, I'll write it down with a question mark, and you guys tell us if you agree or disagree with him. And Kareem, is there a way for you to check that? He thinks there's a thing on yards in 1 mile. That's what he thinks. So we're gonna put a question mark. You guys tell me if you agree or disagree. Kareem, you have the burden of telling us how you figured it out, and checking it to see if it works out. Okay, you have to be more specific than that, Kareem. Hi, Jesus. How are you, buddy? We're working on a warm up. I threw a wrench in here, kind of, to push you guys. It's not as direct as it's been, and I was hoping that you would pull from something that Brian O had said Monday. Hi, Annalise. I'm glad you made it. Very good. Good attendance today. Yeah, I still need to hear from chat if you guys agree with him or not. And how do we check that to make sure it's true? Or what's the proof here? Okay, it's okay if you're not sure if you're correct. Is there a way that you can check to see if you're correct? And I need to know from chat if they agree or disagree with you, or if they've come up with something else. Wake up, chat. Wake up. Okay, Annalise agrees with Kareem. Okay, why do you agree with him? Hi, Brian. You must have heard us talking about you. We're working on this warm-up. Kareem thinks that he might have solved it. I'm waiting to see if people agree with him, and if they do, why. And Elise agrees with him so far. And I am waiting for an explanation of how he got that. He did say that he divided, but he's not telling me yet what he divided by. He You can check the answer also, Kareem. Don't forget, anyone can prove it. And Brian, maybe you can help chat out too. Because what I said to them in the beginning is that I would like them to connect this problem and to the strategy that you brought up on Monday. And I hope you remember what that was from the last warm up. I divided 5,280 by 3, and I got 1.760. Is that supposed to be a comma? So that it's supposed to be 1,760? I did this because since there's 3 feet in a yard, then we should divide the 5,280 by 3 to find our answer. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. This sounds very, very warm to what I was looking for. Okay. All right. So, Brian, Annalise's description. Would you fit her description of how to get this answer into what you brought up on Monday from the warm-up? Do you remember what you brought up? And it was like really exciting, at least for me. I don't know about for you guys. But I was really, really happy with the connection that you guys made. Okay, cool. Go ahead and tell us in chat, and we'll wait for your response. There is no way you all are doing this math in your head. Well, I'm okay with you using a calculator. I just didn't want anybody to look up the answer in Google. All right, let's see if I have everybody in my roll call. There's 7, 3, 6. Okay, Fergie, Brian H, Taylor, Kareem, Annalise, Jesus, and Brian O. Y'all are using cheat codes. Brian is thinking. Okay, keep thinking. And if anyone remembers, it is kind of like what I said. Yeah, her description will fit very nicely with what you brought up Monday. There was a very big connecting piece that you brought up Monday from the warm-up. If you want to peek at the video to remind yourself, please go ahead. Anybody? No, if you focus on what you're doing, you can do anything, Taylor. Whoa, that's very positive and inspirational. I like it. Determination is definitely important. Oh yeah, like that phrase, where there's a will, there's a way. She said cheat codes. Brian, I hope that happy face means that you figured it out. Okay, that's fine. Can you discharge it while you've joined us? Okay, cool. Brian, anything? Anyone remember what happened? No, Okay, I wonder. Here, let me do this real quick. I wonder. You had, after I had written it one way, you had said, "Oh, well, you see how." Maybe that will jog your memory. Does that help jog your memory at all? Oh, are you watching the video? Up, light bulb. Okay, talk to me, dígame. Okay, let's pick a different word. So instead of ratio numbers, something ratios. What's the word that goes in front of that? Yes, nice job. Equivalent ratios. And with equivalent ratios, one of the things that we kept using were tables. So if I actually had this in a table where this is my feet and this is my yard, Annalise said in order to find the missing number, the missing part of the ratio, we would divide, right? And that's definitely a strategy because you could say to yourself, well, 3 times what number is going to give me 5,280? You guys are claiming that it's 1,760. So if everybody right now actually checks in their calculator, it is 3 times 1,760. Is that going to give me 5,280? Let's see what you guys say. Just remember, I asked you if there was a way you could check. Yes, and it does. 3 times 1,760 is 5,280. And the inverse is also true. What Annalise said. Annalise said 5,280 divided by 1,760 gives us 3 feet. Now, if that's true, and these are equivalent ratios, I use the same numerical factor. 3 times 1,760, 1 times 1,760. But 1 times any number is just itself. So you guys did a great job because all of this right here, remember what I said in the beginning, that the 5,280 feet, that this right here actually equals a mile. I brought in a third quantity. You didn't need it in the table to find the answer. No. You're not dumb at all. We're making connections. And those connections are going to help you solve problems. So we didn't need the third quantity in a whole table with this one, but you guys were able to do this. So nice job. I'm really proud of you. I really am. This is one of the connecting pieces between Unit 2 and Unit 3. Why they build on each other so much. So this was a very nice job between Monday and today with the warm-ups. Thank you.